The stick insect is a quiet masterpiece of divine minimalism. While other creatures were given claws or wings, God took a simple twig, gave it life, and whispered the secret of stillness. It survives by becoming a ghost in the greenery, swaying with the wind in a perfect rhythmic mimicry of the forest. It's a living reminder that the Creator values the subtle just as much as the spectacular, hiding a miracle in plain sight for those patient enough to look. Do you think God created such a perfect disguise just to protect the insect, or to teach us to find beauty in the things we usually overlook?